Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into settings and scroll down just a bit to access display and brightness. Then click on this gray switcher next to auto brightness feature. And as you can see, after that, adaptive brightness is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same switcher again. If you want to, you can also go into Tap menu. Click on this little icon with a sun next to brightness slider, and this way enable or disable adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!